No use of Twitter.
Yung alien stage.
Game na ba? Let's start. Nandito na ba kayo lahat sa nakita niyo na lahat yung menu?
Yup.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Huwag na natin magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Tayo ay magsimula na. Tapos naman ay
Ligoy pa.
tapos naman ay sponsor segment ni Dam.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Welcome to Lost Blood inside of Lotus Misery. Yung mga nakaraan na nangyari is lahat kayo ay napunta sa isang misteryosong island kung saan na-met nyo yung mga character na na-met nyo in a past few session. Weirdly, lahat sila ay hindi aggressive, kundi lahat sila ay friendly. Lahat and you go on into a mysterious land na hanggang sa makapunta kayo sa isang village kung saan ito ay sinabi ni Eddie nung nakilala niya siya kung saan niya nakuha yung mga damit niya. And and Jace and Jojo, you pointed out to Eddie na yung damit niya ay baka mamaya na scam siya ng isang na isang character doon, na isang individual.
Peddler.
So you go on into a tawag nito sa mystery hanggang sa si Jojo biglang bumagsak in the middle of habang naglalakad kayo. So, ngayon, nung biglang bumagsak si Jojo, lahat kayo nagpanic, tinry siya yung iligtas, and he successfully made it. But weirdly, something parang changes kay Jojo pagkagising niya. And after that, nakakarinig kayo ng mga uh, rumors or mga sabi-sabi mga sa mga tao sa paligid nyo and sinabi din to ni pangalan niya at sinabi
Me.
ni Nicholas na punta tayo sa isang restaurant. So after you heard that, pumunta kayo sa restaurant, pumasok kayo, and you bigla kayong napunta sa familiar place na nakikita nyo every time na merong nangyayari sa inyo. Okay. After after you guys go sin sa playground, you notice a lot of breeze na hangin na dumaloy sa inyo na sobrang init kanina na ngayon ay nahaluan na ng breeze na medyo malamig na hangin throughout your skins. And ngayon sa harap niyo, pagkakita niyo na ng playground, you felt this raw emotion sa inyo na pinakalma kayo na parang pagkakita niyo sa mga playground, medyo nagkaroon kayo ng a calmness deep inside. And far sa far center ng playground, you see something laying down.
Hmm.
It's a smaller version of the playground.
Oo.
Naka-pause pa ba? Ay, hindi na.
Hindi na.
Hindi nakapause. Alright.
Jojo Yuki now.
I I think, yeah.
You guys,
Ano ang nakikita namin?
okay. Pagkalapit nyo, you see a paper na malaki na 5 feet ah 5 feet yung width niya and pati yung buong paper is square siya. Tapos sobrang laki niyang square na parang isang tao mahigit. And yung square na yun is nakita nyo is exact replicate ng mismong place na kinakatayuan nyo ngayon, yung nandoon mismo sa paper.
Wait, 5 feet?
Yung 5 feet
Yung paper.
yung paper.
Ang laki ng paper.
Five.
Wow! That's
Mhm.
that's like 1.5 meters. Okay.
Mhm.
Like yung replica lang talaga ng playground or may mga tao rin?
Wala, replicate lang siya na, ay, actually, roll me an investigation check. Kayong tatlo.
Mhm. I'm sorry, kumakain ako.
Sige lang.
The dice are
I got
cursed.
10.
7, 10, ikaw, okay.
Oh, nice, Jace.
30-20.
Nice.
Jace, in the paper, you see something written on the bottom right ng mismo portrait. Hindi siya ganun nakikita kanina because nag nag tawag nito nagka-camouflage siya doon sa flooring no mismong playground.
You guys see me just crouching down on this piece of paper. And then I run my fingers on kung nasaan yung writing, trying to decipher it. What am I reading?
Okay, ito yung nakalagay. Wait lang. Ito.
Mm.
Ito yung nakalagay.
San.
Gusto niyo ba isulat ko na lang, ikaw na lang magbasa? Tapos,
Yes,
okay,
sulat mo
okay.
na lang, tapos ako na magpapasa.
Okay, okay. Ito.
Nani sabi
Sabihin mo
niya.
lang kung saan mo yung sasend.
Sasend ko sa'yo sa Discord.
Okay.
Ooh,
Ayan, ayan.
secret.
So you see Jace run through his fingers on the lower right, lower right of the
Lower
paper,
right.
Mhm.
and then he looks a closer look, and out loud he says, "Welcome to our playground, where choices abound. Two paths you will find on this hallowed ground. One path heals the mind with stories and dreams, books and puzzles where imagination gleams. The other heals the body with movement and play, slides and swings where you can frolic all day. Choose your adventure. Which way will you go to nourish your spirit or make your body glow?" It's written here on the piece of paper. Do you guys know what they can mean?
Welcome to our playground. One path heals the mind, the other heals the body.
Body.
And, after mo basahin yun, Chase, you see the horse in front of you. Yung dalawa dyan glows. The one green and the one is blue. Yung mismong left side, yung mismong mata niya nag-shine ng green and yung horse naman sa right side mo ngayon is nag-shine ng blue.
Green, blue.
Mm.
Ano na sa gitna? Sir, ano?
Yung nasa gitna, ah, abang nakikita mo dyan, dahil mataas naman yung passive perception mo, you saw in the middle of on the middle of the horse, there's hollow, uh, a hollow hole kung saan kung saan circle siya.
I approach yung ano. You guys
Green,
see
blue,
this? Yeah. You guys see this, right?
green, blue. So we should put something in the middle.
Or maybe
Prob-
we should write them? Do you think this is related to the poem?
I think so. Heals the mind, heals the body.
But there are
Which is
Which one?
three.
rich?
But there are three horses.
Yeah.
Only two paths.
Uh, Jace, habang naglalakad ka, uh, the whole place naririnig yung clank nung sounds ng right leg mo because of it's a mechanical figure or yung mechanical sounds.
Ah,
Oh, hindi nag-heal.
what do you mean, di nag-heal? What are
Di
you saying,
nag-heal,
Jojo?
Jace. When we were here last time, my arm got cut off and your
What?
half of your body was already gone, but we went here and it regenerated.
Yeah.
Alright, that's not the craziest thing I've ever heard of
Yeah.
this mansion. But why won't it heal right now? Maybe if I remove this, maybe it will heal. I
No.
go to the I go to the stairs. No,
Wait. Maybe this is
maybe.
the
Maybe.
other path. This is
Yung
the one that fills the mind.
Mm-hmm. Because the other one is the body.
Wait, so are you saying there's two parks? One for the mind and one for the body. And this is for the
May-
mind.
Maybe.
Probably.
Probably.
The only thing that changed here is the map, the paper
Yeah.
containing the map, and then the horses.
Well, maybe I should remove. Wait, can I? Ash, alam pa ni Jace paano i-remove yung kanyang mechanical
okay,
leg?
explain ko pala sa'yo kung ano yung itsura pala ng mechanical legs mo na sa'yo. In your right legs, you can see a bolted joint na nakadikit sa mismong skin mo. And yung bolt na yun, you can feel reaching it inside your bone. Nakadikit siya sa bone mo.
Okay, okay, that's. So I can't just remove it like ano, like a modern prosthetic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, gets. Oh fuck, I can't remove it. Well, I'm stuck with this. Maybe if I can find like a good oil and some dampeners, this gets quiet. But stealthily, mm, this might be a problem. My leg.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Anyways,
You can see
these horses.
you can see Victor go slowly on the map and reads it. And he said, "Huh, to nourish your spirit or make your body glow." I think
Hmm?
this is pointing that there's in this park, I think you can I think it's pointing out that you can choose to heal your mind or heal your body.
Oh, we can choose.
And I think it's connected. And pinoint out niya yung dalawang horse na nasa harap mo, Virgin, into that into that thing.
I'm sorry. This one or this one?
So which is
But
which?
but we don't know which one heals the mind and which one heals the body.
Well, there's one way to find out. Green
What
or
if
blue? One for the mind, one for the body. What if what?
what if you use one, that's all you get.
Uh, it's better than not healing anything, Fer.
Yeah. Yes.
Besides,
Uh,
besides, imagine how crazy, not crazy we are. Imagine how much shit we've seen in this mansion. For sure, our minds are
one,
not as well
one
as we
blue,
think we have.
one green, one blue.
If you think about it, maybe there's something
Yeah.
also already wrong with our minds, and we don't even know about it.
Okay. Now you guys decide what to do there. I'm gonna try to find stuff that we'll figure out.
Jojo,
Here.
what do you think? Should we ride the green horse or the blue horse?
Hmm, maybe we should check if there's magic.
You could
Well,
see Nicholas go into the nearest bench and he sat down, panting.
You you okay, man?
Nakita niya siya nag-nod lang. And sinabi niya sa'yo, Ver, na I think he will lay down for a minute.
Okay. Green, blue. There's yellow here. Blue, green. There's nothing. There's
Hmm.
green and blue out here too. And there's yellow
wait.
and red.
I, you guys see Jace approach the paper again and
Mm-hmm.
read. One path heals the mind with stories and dreams, books and puzzles where imagination gleams. The other heals the body with movement and play, slide and swings where you can frolic all day. I think the color of the swings and the slides of movement can point us to which one heals the body, and those that's based on puzzles, that can heal the mind. But
Oh,
it doesn't
so
make sense.
not the horse. Hmm.
Kasi ito lang yung sa mind.
And
Hmm.
Ito sa body.
yeah, and they both have green and blue. Some
Yeah. Are we overthinking this? Maybe we're overthinking.
Wala bang other indications na pwede namin magamit dun sa replica or dun sa paper?
Okay. Roll me investigation check. Ah,
Jojo.
Ulit.
anyway, di na pala. Dahil nakaano din si Jace kanina.
Nice, nice, nice.
Okay. Inside the replication, you can see different things na nasa paligid nung tinignan yung masinsinan. And ngayon, wait lang.
Ikaw lang.
Wala.
Okay. Nakikita nyo na sa mismong replica, yung mismong slides is iba. Imbis na blue, yung nasa bottom, it's green. And yung sa taas, it's blue.
Ito.
Oo.
Oh,
Blue. Ay, green. Blue.
so
So,
medyo
mind,
connected yung nasabi kanina.
body.
Green, this is blue.
Body green. Mind blue.
Blue.
Yeah, probably.
Should we slide?
Or
Okay. Should we slide down the slides or ride the horses with the green and blue eyes?
I wanna try to slide. I
Alright.
already slid here, by the way, before.
Maybe four
I
of
have
us should try. Like
I have
one, like the other two should ride the slide, and the other two should ride the horses.
alright.
Nay,
Since
nay.
we're already here with Fur, maybe first stop.
Okay.
Victor, come on, let's ride the horses.
Yeah,
No, maybe you should ride the horse, Jace. Ride the green horse.
right. The green
Which
horse.
which
Mm-hmm.
horse
We,
do you want to ride?
This is
mm.
green, this is blue.
Think I'm gonna
Left
go with
green,
Ver.
right blue.
Oh,
Jojo, let me ride the green horse, as the sufferer said. Why not?
I'm
fine.
I'm sorry,
Okay,
Jace.
I'll ride
I
the blue
don't
one.
think you'll fit in that slide anyway.
Why?
Hey,
I'm sorry, hindi pala si Dams pala yun. Sorry.
Okay,
I'm
Ver.
I'm nimble.
Think
I'm
I can
not
go
that
first.
big.
he's calling you fat, bro.
Uh, anyways, I won't mind.
Let
I'll forget that you said that. Which
Okay.
one? Which one yung green, Ash?
Yun na sa, eto. Yan mismo.
All right, Jojo, you ready?
yeah. So should we do it at the same time?
At the same time,
Yes.
Victor, Ver, choose which slide you're going to go down, and the count of three will ride and slide down. All right?
This is childish. Sabi ni Victor.
Doon ka na lang sa straight path because you're boring.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh,
Sino?
Victor, just indulge us, please.
we're
Okay.
I'm
being
sorry.
sassy right now.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, Victor. Ayan. Ay, di ko kasi mamove yung token ko ng... Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
sige,
sige
sige.
lang.
Okay, so who's counting?
Let me. On three, all right?
Yes.
Starting. One, two, and three.
Ito yung nag-slide si Victor.
Nandun na ako. Sorry, hindi ko na maikot eh.
Okay. You see all the leaves surrounded you. Come at a maximized speed na sobrang bilis. As in,
Mm.
alam mo yung sobrang, yung nahanginan na sobrang ano. And you can see sa buong, and you can feel something hitting you na hindi naman ganun kasakit, pero you can feel the wind na parang sobrang bilis na humampas sa inyo. And you and Jace, nakita mo yung horse sa harap mo, pumutok yung green na mata. And
Oh no.
harap mo, Jojo, you can see the blue eyes pumutok na. And
Well,
nakita mo, Ver, yung dalawang slide sa gilid mo, they turn into a grayish part.
grayish.
Gray na siya.
Well, we failed. I don't know what happened.
Stop, Ver. We haven't failed. We don't know what even happened yet. You guys feel any different?
Mm,
Do we feel any
do
different?
we feel
Okay,
different?
you can see yung hangin, alam mo yung mismong mga leaves on thing, biglang nag-stop and nag-drop down lahat.
This is creepy.
But
This
do
is
we but do we feel any different?
Ver, ikaw sa green, di ba? Ver,
green ba yung taas?
uh, okay, uh,
Blue.
okay, Ver. Ver,
Blue
na-feel,
yung taas.
you gain 15 temporary HP.
What? Why?
Oh.
Oh.
So
Why?
yung taas na slide, anong color yun?
Green.
Blue.
Blue.
Okay, blue.
Ay,
All
blue,
right,
blue,
all
blue.
right.
Green.
Ito yung
And then
green.
what?
Oh, ito yung green, di ba? Ito yung blue.
Ito yung green. Ito yung blue.
Okay, okay. Ay, wait lang, mali pala. Nalito pala ako.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Figure lang.
Hindi pala.
Get
Ver,
my HP.
okay. Ver, nung pumunta ka sa taas, you nawala yung fatigue mo
Okay.
na meron ka, and yung insanity mo bumalik sa normal.
Ooh,
So, yung sanity ko, medyo normal person na ako ulit.
Normal person ka
ooh.
na.
Blue is the moon.
Oh,
And
blue is the mind.
ikaw naman, Jojo, nakita mo yung mismong itsura mo.
Mhm.
Yung kaninang ano mo is ngayon nawala yung eye bags mo, and you gain a knowledge about something in this place sa mansion. Yung knowledge na yun is makikita mo sa journal mo ngayon.
Ooh,
Oh, my
ooh,
God.
ooh,
Tangina nyo.
ooh.
Wait lang. Yan ako lang.
Pwedeng, kay Ash, pwede mong ma-edit yung journal namin?
Pwede.
Wow.
Okay, I shall be waiting.
And, wait lang.
Gusto ko yung mangyari kay Dam, sobrang grotesque na yung yung leg niya mag-grow back from the bone na nakabolt yung yung prosthetic leg niya, tapos biglang matatanggal yung prosthetic leg niya.
Anong nangyari sa'yo? What? Who hurt
I'm sorry.
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Who hurt you?
Si Victor yung may temporary HP niyan.
Wait, so since pares tayong nag-blue,
Yung
so
mind.
that's
Yeah,
yung
that's the
mind.
mind.
And
So
sino si Dams? I'm Jace.
You're Jace, you're Jace, you're
so
Jace.
si Dams, ay si Jace, si Edward, siya
He's
green.
sa body silang dalawa ni ano.
Oo. Hindi ko pa pala na-update yung journal ko.
Saan kaya ilalagay niya, no? Ni, ah,
Bakit pag
Ay,
clinic ko
ay,
si Nicolas, double click. Sabi niya, this token references an actor which no longer exists within the world.
sorry, nagalaw ko.
Dahil ba wala si
Ay, wait, hindi mo nagagalaw?
AJ.
Oh.
Nagagalaw ko, pero
Ah,
pag dinouble click ko lang, may lumalabas.
oh. Oo nga, no? Or baka nawala yung yung shit.
Baka dahil wala si AJ, wala yung nagko-control sa kanya.
Baka. Hintayin kong matapos yung
I'm controlling Victor.
Wait, while waiting, natagpuan ba natin kung para saan yung code or yung number na ginawa nung pusa ni, ano yan? Ni
No,
Alban?
hindi natin na find out because we did not try. Nasaan na yun? March, April, ayun, April 13.
Ah,
84576231.
84572.
8457
2 8457
6
231
2
or 31?
231.
231 or 261?
Ang sa'kin is
62.
84576231.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oo, okay. Hindi ko muna babasahin. May mga naka-sensor.
Oof. Parang omniscient reader.
Uy, ano daw, may leak daw, may rumor na magkakaroon ng
Yeah,
ah,
and it's
anime
UFO.
adaptation. Oo.
And it's UFO.
Anong masasabi mo dun?
I would like at least maybe Cloverworks or Madhouse. I don't know.
Mad
I
Madhouse 'di ba
don't.
yung production company ng first season ng One Punch Man?
Yeah.
'Di ba usually 'pag Madhouse parang hindi nila tinutuloy yung season 2?
No.
Oo. Parang yun kasi yung naging parang fear nila nung
mm.
Madhouse yung nag-produce ng One Punch Man season 1. Akala nila hindi na
Mm.
magkakaroon ng season 2. Kasi usually maganda ang
Per
quality.
season.
Oo.
Cloverworks na lang, please.
Wait, sino Cloverworks?
Maganda fight scenes nila. Just based
Oo.
on based on Windbreaker. Joke lang. Pero mostly kasi sila mga tawag kasi doon, mga romance.
Oh, okay pala eh. The Spy Family Code, right?
Yeah.
Usually, animation sa Spy Family is okay.
Yeah.
Oo.
UFO maganda sana kaso lang overwork na sila sobra eh.
Mm, hindi sila usually action yata, no? Parang more on thriller, drama, or
Oo.
simple.
Wait lang. UFO.
Ano bang notable? Alam ko kasi kilalang yun.
Si France yun. Ah, ay hindi, mapa pala yung yung sobrang
Oo,
overwork na.
actually, kung
UFO
yung
is,
notable, tapos
Okay,
kasi
okay
yung
na.
oo,
dramatic Kimetsu no Yaiba ang ano.
Kita mo na yung
yeah.
journal.
Pwede ko nang tignan?
Pwede mo tingnan.
Okay.
Ayan. Nag-fuck up lang ang UFO nung movie ng Kimetsu. Okay.
Okay,
Ang tawag kasi doon. Okay na.
okay
Tapos
na, okay
na
na.
yung commercial.
Okay. So, Joe,
Wait,
you can
what?
see
Okay, sige lang.
sa journal mo, there's biglang nag-pop up sa journal mo, and your mind now is back to sanity. Like, naging normal na pala yung mismong sanity mo.
Parehas kami.
So, Jace, wala pang nangyayari sa'yo sa ngayon.
Why not? Ano si Victor ay?
Si Victor, wala din nangyayari sa kanya.
Wala yung temporary 15 HP.
Wala.
Victor, you feel any different?
Not really.
Ikaw na si Victor.
Ayoko na.
Pwede naman.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
It's
Uh,
not. For now, I do not feel any different from what I felt earlier.
Hmm.
Jojo, Ver, I guess the effects just affected you.
Alam ni Jace na
From
mataas.
you,
Um,
uh, I'm
uh,
assuming.
Mm, ne.
I think for now, this is the safe place for us. Sabi ni
Mhm.
Victor, weirdly enough, that Serzel tier is, are not yet appearing in this domain.
That what?
Wait,
That
how do
Serzel
you know
tier.
Zeltier?
Saltier, yeah, Saltier.
How did I
Maybe
know?
How
we're
do
in.
you know? How do you
Maybe,
know Zeltier?
Ano?
We met him, di
Uh,
ba?
I met
Oh, si
him
Victor.
earlier. I mean,
Oo, di ba
I
nung
re-
lumabas siya?
and I'm with you guys when he introduced himself. Remember at the projector
So,
place in the hospital. and and he was the one that
Okay.
welcomed me here before you guys. S- Jace,
Yeah.
you felt a throb on your right leg.
Ayan na yung protest.
Wait, I need to sit down.
Okay, ayan, inano ka namin kunwari,
Oh, mali.
what's happening?
Okay, okay, okay.
Delayed ba yung effect?
Hindi, to.
Wala ba talagang nagsa-sounds
Wala
ng
bang sounds?
background music?
Walang may background music?
Meron ako napapakinggan and I don't like it.
Wala akong napapakinggan. Ay hindi, meron na.
Okay. Jace, you can see your leg throbbing. Chuk, 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 chuk. And nakikita mo, parang yung legs mo ngayon na parang may mga cloth is natanggal yung cloth mo. Parang nakita mo yung flesh mo, biglang parang unti-unting nagiging slimy yung legs mo.
Oh,
And nakikita mo parang there's a muscle or parang muscle na biglang nagko-contract, nagso-surround doon sa metal part ng mismong paa mo. Nakikita mo parang parang siyang snake na unti-unting parang siyang slime na kino-cover yung buong metal part nung prosthetic legs mo. And nakikita mo unti-unting umaabot and sobrang painful nito sa sarili mo na parang yung painful niya is parang kang kinagat na sabihin natin, kinagat ka ng 50 na fire ant sa legs mo. Ganun ka painful yung nafe-feel mo ngayon. And nakikita mo unti-unting umaabot hanggang sa tuhod mo, yung mismong legs, yung mismong parang fleshy part and parang muscle pa lang yun yung mismo wala pang skin. And nakikita mo parang na-cover na hanggang sa makaabot sa baba mo. Yung slimy part dun sa mo, dun hanggang sa makaabot sa paa mo. And wala pa siyang skin, Jace. And nakikita mo nagdudugo yung buong muscle flesh mo dun sa baba mo ng buto. And ngayon parang nakikita mo yung skin ng mismong original skin mo is parang unting-unting tumutubo na siya. Yung patubo niya is hindi siya galing sa mismong part kung saan yung mismong existing legs mo or yung mismong dati pa. Nakita mo yung skin mo nagmula sa below ng muscle mo. Para siyang flower.
oh,
Para siyang flower na gumanon sa gitna ng mga muscle. Parang unti-unting para nakikita mo tumataas yung skin mo and nagsusurround sa existing muscle mo ngayon. And nakita mo hanggang sa yung buong skin mo is yung buong muscle part is natabunan na ng skin. And nakikita mo yung ang daming mga veins na parang gumaganon, na parang ahas na tumataas baba doon sa mismong legs mo. And ngayon nakita mo na yung legs mo parang unting nag-twitch na unti, tapos naging normal na.
Yay!
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 yeah.
Are
All
are
that
you
time,
okay?
while all was not happening, di ba nasa stairs ako, o
Mm.
I was hanging on with my dear life sa two rails. And then,
Mhm.
nakikita niyo ako parang almost nagsaspasms while screaming in pain. Hindi
Para
ko na,
kang nagle-labor.
yeah, parang worse na labor, parang na-electrocute.
Yay!
Yung ganon.
My
And
God,
then,
yeah.
and then you just see this whole, like, sa bottom ng leg is just this pool of blood pooling. Oh,
J- Jace, nung ginalaw mo yung paa mo, you can still hear the mechanical sound.
Oh,
So, nag-form yung flesh dun sa mechanical leg.
Oo.
kasi hindi natanggal. Oh,
ah, ah,
so
ah,
you're
ah, ah, I try to move my leg more.
And hindi mo siya maggalaw ng normal ngayon dahil parang bago sa'yo. And
ko.
Really can't
while
cut up.
while earlier you cannot feel the uh mechanical part dahil prosthetics lang siya. Now you can feel the mechanical part na nagtitwitch sa loob ng mismong legs mo.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
And
Maybe
you just see Jason parang, get it out! Get it out! Get it out!
I raised
Nagpapanik siya sa ano, nagpapanik siya sa pagtaas ng stairs.
itataas ko yung aking dalawang swords.
Jace, you can now you can now jump up to 6 feet from the ground using
Oh my God.
your
Isang
mechanical
tao na yun.
legs, and you can now run up to 45 feet.
Ooh,
Hey!
Eh,
Hey! I have to
Termi
ano,
Terminator.
sino yung pinakamatangkad sa atin?
I can run 45 feet.
Oo, and yung legs mo, kapag yung gagamitin mo yung legs mo sa pwede mo lang gamitin yung legs mo as an attack.
Damn!
Yay!
If I jump 6 feet,
Mhm.
Yung unarmed strike mo is meron ka ng plus 2 sa unarmed strike mo. So every time na gagamitin mo
Unarmed.
yung unarmed strike mo, may plus 2 ka.
Hmm.
damn! If I jump 6 feet, 6
Ah,
feet, if I jump,
Isang ver.
hindi hindi pala. Hindi pala 6 feet, sorry. Masyadong overpowered
ano,
yun.
Mm,
Mga hanggang 4 feet lang.
4 feet.
isang heres.
Ay, 4 feet? Ay, hindi. Wait lang. Mali.
Ano ba talaga?
So, then, wait lang. Sorry na, inano ko pa. Titignan ko pa eh. Okay. You can jump up to 10 feet pala.
Damn!
So,
That's
Ooh,
one.
isa,
That's one
isang heres,
story.
Oo.
isang heres, isang ver na magkaano.
So, dalawang tiles yung pwede mong talunan.
Damn! Ten,
phew.
10 feet across. So nakikita niyo lang si Chase na parang nagpapanic siya. And then every time na like parang medyo pinifeel niya yung kanyang leg. And every time na hit niya yung wood, you just hear this yung wood just being broken by my leg. Diba? Oh!
Pero may problem ka ngayon, Jace.
What?
Meron kang minus minus 2 sa stealth.
Okay, minus 2 sa stealth.
Oo.
Kasi naninipa ako sa leg.
Oo, and tumutunog siya.
Ano?
And tumutunog siya.
Tumutunog siya.
Mm-mm.
Tumutunog pa din siya.
Oo.
Ano yung tunog niya?
Alam mo yung parang robotic
Slang,
sounds
slang.
na parang mechanical sound na parang sabihin natin sa parang
Oh,
ganun.
parang servo motors.
Oo.
Which is bagong sound, hindi niya ginagawa before whatever
Oo.
happened.
And dahil sa flesh yung unang yung dahilan nun is nagwi-whistle siya sa flesh. Yung dahilan nun. Parang yung
Meron.
nagke-create ng sound na yun is habang dumidikit yung flesh mo dun sa metal part, nagke-create siya ng sound, creating that.
Ash, did you just give me a early form of a cybernetic?
Net runner. Edge runner.
Am I an edge runner? An early form of a cybernetic. Damn.
Si
So,
Victor magiging si V.
kailangan ko na pa ng ano, kailangan
Eh,
ko na pa ng Reaper Dog.
hindi mo siya, hindi, yung paa mo ngayon hindi mo pa siya proficient.
Okay. So you guys just see Jace like panicking, flailing his arm all around. And every time na hit niya yung borders ng playground, na ano siya, broken in siya. Somebody help me guys, please! Get
No.
this out of me!
No.
No.
What do you mean, no? Victor, you're a doctor. You can help me, right?
No.
I think we should remove it right now. I think it's not healthy for you to keep it.
Wait,
Of course,
how?
it's not healthy. Look at it. And then, and then I, and then I raise it up. Look at it. It
No.
looks fresh, but you can hear like something is inside.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's not healthy.
So, what do we do? Talk, and I try to, try to stand and run around. And nakikita niyo ako super bilis.
Jace, okay ka
Where, dog?
lang.
Where?
Hmm.
What
You
are we
you
gonna do?
guys see Victor kneeling down on the paper on the map on the center of the playground and pointed out something sa mismong map na there's sabi ni Victor, merong nag-appear sa mapa
Ano yung nag-appear?
and I think we wouldn't like what it's on. Okay, ito yung nakalagay. Ilalagay ko na sa screen nyo ngayon. Sa screen sa mismong Discord kasi hindi ko hindi,
Ooh.
oh, wait lang. Pwede ba maggawa ng journal yan? Pakita ko sa inyo.
May nakasulat sa baba.
Ito.
Kung ano may nakasulat.
Baka yung map name.
Patreon.
Patreon.
Okay. Ito
Nasaan?
yung nakasulat sa baba. Ito. Ano
Where?
ko. I-show ko sa inyo sa journal. Makita nyo to.
Journal.
Anong journal? Saang journal?
Ito. Show player. Ayan, nakita nyo na.
Ah, yeah.
Yung playground. Yung...
Hmm.
Okay. In a realm of laughter where joy takes flight, a place where children play from morning till night. Heed my words and take them true. Ayoko na.
But this is something you must not do. Not the swings that soar so high, nor the slides that let you fly. Avoid the spot where echoes ring, avoid and refrain from using everything.
Oh no.
You can see it on blood.
Are we too late?
Avoid the spot where echoes ring, and refrain from using everything.
But we use everything.
But what is the spot where echoes ring? Does anyone
What?
know that?
Echoes.
Yeah, we used everything. We can't do anything about it now that we did it. But
Mm-mm.
what spot where echoes ring?
Echo. Echo.
Mm,
Shout really loudly.
Ah,
maybe underneath the street.
Huh.
There you go. Is it the horsey?
Sabi ni
not the
Victor,
echoes.
I think we should get out of here. Asa.
Let's go. Nico, let's go.
Si Nico hindi siya gumagalaw. Sinabi niya sa inyo, I'll join with you guys later. I'll stay here
Okay,
for now.
get out when you think it's not okay na.
Yeah, what about my leg?
Um,
Jace, nung
Go, go.
naglalakad ka,
Gigi.
medyo mas malakas yung pagka, hindi mo malakas, more like, mas mataas yung force na binibigay ng right leg mo sa left leg.
We should have cut it off.
Yeah,
What does it?
yeah,
What?
verse right. I think we should cut it
Ah,
out right now. Sabi ni Victor.
anong feeling na yon sa akin, yung
It's,
leg?
it's painful. Sobra.
Okay, okay. I agree.
Do you have a torch, Jojo?
do you
Can
ha-
you
do you have do you have at least something that can numb the pain or something right now?
uh, can you use torch to heat up my swords and then we cut it off?
I
Oh,
mean,
sure. I can.
Like,
I have.
okay, tie Jace to the.
I mean, I mean, I have a painkiller with me right here, if you want that.
Now, what do you
Joke
think?
lang. What do you
Victor,
think, Jace?
Victor,
Y-
can I just have the painkiller right now and let's figure this out later?
You don't
I
want,
don't
The
want to
you
sword?
stay
don't want
here
us to
any
cut,
here longer.
you don't want us to cut that.
Are you sure about this?
Honestly, I don't know. Well, if you ask a person, what do you want better from mechanical thing to be inside my leg right now, or and I see the sword, or cut my leg without any anesthesia, me wide awake. I don't know what's better.
Okay, so I whispered to to Jojo. So we cut it off when he's not awake.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Just give
good
me the
plan.
signal.
Good
Yes, yes.
plan. Okay.
Okay.
Victor,
Et,
can I have some of those painkillers,
Uh,
please?
ito yung ito yung scene na Bear tsaka Jojo.
nakita mo
It's
pala,
Jover for you.
si
Jover for you.
si Victor may kinukuha sa left pocket niya and nakita niyo may kinuha siyang pouch and nakita mo may kinuha siyang isang tablet as in malaki siya parang isang thumb ganon tapos binigay niya sa'yo yung mismong tablet na meron siya here Jace you should eat it or we don't have any water right now so I think
Oh,
do your best to consume it
Fuck it. And you just see Chase like try his best to swallow it.
uh
Actually swallows naman, I think.
Yeah. Pero for now, hindi pa siya gumagana, pero you can feel the pain, lessening ngayon, becoming less.
Still painful, but let's get out of here. Find somewhere nice for you guys to cut my leg with actual medicine.
Okay, okay. Huwag kayong gagalaw. Copy-paste ko, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
eh.
Wala ba akong
Uh, you guys can hear sa likod ng door ngayon sa harap nyo, yung likod ng fog nyo ngayon is a cheerful music na parang make you feel calmer sa mismong naisip nyo ngayon. Wait lang.
Tin, 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 tin,
And
tin.
pumasok kayo sa
Oh shit.
oops.
Sa gay bar.
Yeah, there we go.
Nani?
You can
Never.
see a lot of people surrounding you right now. On the center of the place that you got in right now, you can see a lot of people gathering, and you can see a dragonborn and a halfling na mukha siyang mismong wait lang. Mismong ano, you can see a parang greenish pag nito na parang halfling na sumasayaw with the dragonborn. You can see a lot of soldiers also joining in the dance, following through the music or the song that he is ngayon na kinakanta. And nakikita nyo merong orc dun sa mismong alam mo, nakakakbay siya sa dalawang soldier. And on your right side, there's someone watching them silently, awkwardly. And sa
Si
far
Luca.
sa far right, merong mga nagiinuman na mga soldiers na medyo maingay sila. And sa left side naman, there's a lot of people gathering na nag-uusap-usap.
Oh, that's a frog. Cute frog.
That's oh my gosh, it's birds.
Oh my god, it's birds.
And
Kamukha
Frog.
ni Luca.
True.
and yung mismong lalaki na yan, nakasandal lang sa mismong pader.
I don't trust Luca.
You
I
can
don't
see
know about
someone approaching you guys. A lady na naka-dreaded ngayon, and nakikita nyo there's a smile on her face. And nakikita nyo parang habang dumadaan siya sa mga soldiers, nakikita nyo yung inaapiran niya. So,
Ay,
lumapit sa
wow.
inyo. So, welcome to the All Tavern of Heresy. What can I do for you?
Henry.
I never see.
Uh,
I, I
can
don't know about you guys, but I really need a trick after what happened.
do you have like beer?
Of course, we have a lot of food in this place. You can, I think there's a table not far from here. I think I should get you there. I'm sorry for the mess in the center of the tavern. Apparently, this young lad is showing up today, and may they group, uh, may they, may they, may this tavern more cheerfully. So, kindly,
Celine.
kindly
Ah,
follow me.
I'm sorry. Follow her.
Nakita niyo para nakikiano siya. And nakikita niyo sumasayaw siya. Enver, bago ka pala
Hmm.
umano, nakita mo, biglang humakbay tong soldier na to sa iyo. And parang di niya pinapansin ikaw. Like, nakita mo medyo drunkish na siya.
Anong sabi niya? Wala siyang
Wala
sinasabi.
siya sinasabi. Nakita mo kumakanta lang siya. Sumasabay lang siya dun sa kanta.
Okay, makikikanta lang din ako.
Okay.
Can I at least get a drink while we do this?
Nakita mo, etong dwarf, parang namimigay siya ng mga drink. Binibigyan niya tong Dragonborn, and ikaw,
Okay,
binigyan ka din.
sige. We're chill, man. We're chill.
Nakita niyo, like, sobrang saya nila dun sa ano, like, ano mo yung mismong kanta ngayon sa ano, sinasabayan lang nila.
Oh. So, do you know this guy? Pinoint ko yung tabo man.
Sabi niya, Nakita mo like tinatry niya magsalita pero hindi siya makapagsalita pero sinabi niya sa'yo na, yes, that young lad just showed up here and earlier he just sang out of nowhere in the middle and we just joined.
Oh, nice.
Ah,
Habang papunta si Jojo dun, tinignan ko siya tas sasabihin ko, "Save me."
Hey, come on. Let go of
Like,
our friend, please.
I'm sorry that I didn't know that you're a friend. I mean, we're just dancing and cheering and singing.
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's okay,
We'll
man,
join
that's
you.
okay.
We'll join you after getting our beer.
Nakita yung sumasayaw lang siya. Eh, nakita
Uh,
yun, kumakanta-kanta lang sila.
Thanks for the drink. Sinabi ko dun sa sa ano niya? Ito, 'di
Dwarf.
ba? This one,
Oo.
dwarf, okay,
Oo.
that one. Tas nakipag-appear ako dito.
Eh, nakita nyo, merong nag-appear sa'yo sa back niya. Hindi niya kamay.
Oh,
That's cute.
Nakita nyo nauna na si Victor dun.
Okay, let's go. Jace, you're the fast one. Go there.
oh
So,
wait, I'm the fast one.
habang naglalakad kayo dyan, you pass three figures sa gilid nyo. A
Tignari.
someone with a hair na greenish and a bear na merong sword and tatlong sword sa likod and a woman na merong string na daldala.
Tayo
Sino ulit,
na rin.
sino ulit yung bear ni Kai?
Jupiter.
Si Chup. Chup!
Jup.
Chup! Chup
Jup.
chup!
Nice. Nice sword, bear.
Nakita niya, so, you should just I think you should rest here first and I would like to take a your order. So,
Do you have a menu?
yeah, here's the menu. Ito yung mga menu.
Ang baba na. Bakit kumakanta si Cel? Di ba hindi siya marunong kumanta?
Hindi siya marunong mag-play ng ano,
Mag-play ng instrument.
mag-play ng instrument.
I miss Hades, man.
Ito yung mga ano,
Where is it?
ito.
Nasa journal ba ulit?
Hindi. Actually, sige, send ko sa journal para di kayo mahirapan. Doon ko nalalagay, no? Doon sa journal na meron kayo ngayon.
Okay.
Ah,
Anong pangalan ng
eh,
waitress?
pangalan ng waitress? Wala pa. Wait lang.
Tifa.
We already have a Tifa.
May Tifa na ba tayo? May Erit na din tayo eh. Wait lang.
Pero Tipa.
Ay, Tifa na cat pala eh.
There we go. Ayan.
Saan?
Wait lang.
Food menu.
Oh, wait. Are this are
Ang
this
haba pala.
all are this all free?
No. Uh, the starters cost 30 silver. And the main course costs 1 gold each. The side dish is free, and the dessert is free if you buy the main course. And the drinks, they are cost from 30 gold, 30 silver to 1 gold.
Victor, they don't have um
Either.
cider. They don't have
Yeah.
cider.
Yes, I know. I already see that. I mean, the wine, a herbal tea can be fine, I think.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Okay.
Nakita niyo? So what will your order will be?
Hmm. Ano yan sa
Hmm,
inyo? Kayo muna. Matagal ako mag-order.
hmm.
Makakain ba namin to in real life, Ash?
Nag-iisipan talaga eh.
Ah, I know
Are
my
there
order.
are there
Mag
any group meals?
I think I can discount you for 50%.
wow, okay, okay. Uh, ano sa inyo?
I know my
Jace.
order. Give me the
Uh,
strongest brandy that you have.
Okay. The strongest brandy that would cost 2 gold, but for you it will be 1 gold.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Ah, you can call me.
Miss
You can call me Defree.
Denfrey.
No,
Je-
Defree.
Jeffrey?
Defree.
Defrey.
Jeffrey?
Or you can
Thank you.
Defer or Defree.
So
Thank
deep
you.
fry
Defre.
Thank you, Miss
Defre.
def
Defer.
Or you just can
Defre.
defer.
call me my last name, Lonty.
Lonty.
Yeah, you can just call me
Def.
Ma'am Lonty or Lonty. Anywhere,
Lol.
Okay.
any what way you want.
Thank you, Defrey.
Okay, okay, so
Jeffrey.
De- no, not Jeffrey. For be respectful to our waitress, our host.
Ma'am, Ma'am Lonty.
so your order is the finest ale or finest wine, all right, or finest beer. So,
The
It's
strongest one.
the strongest brandy.
okay. So, what would the two would order?
Jojo, I have anxiety
Um,
ordering.
how about you give me hmm a hearty vegetable soup for my starters. For the main course, give me the roast chicken with herb butter. For the sides, give me a salad. Then for dessert, maybe an apple pie. Then for drinks, give me the wine on your top most
Okay,
closet.
that would be 3 gold because starters would cost 2 gold, and the main course would one, and the dessert and the apple pie would cost $1, so it will be 3 gold each. 3 gold overall.
Sure.
Ig-
Ma-
uh,
Ma'am Defrey.
yes.
Will you also give me the whatever the bestseller side that you guys have?
Oh yeah, we have it. The best seller is the Fisherman Catch
All right,
because
just
of
give
the
me
bait.
that.
Me too.
I'm
Okay.
hungry. I just realized I'm very, very hungry.
You haven't
Oh,
eaten for ages.
Okay, you guys can see Jeffrey going inside the tag nito sa place na I think the kitchen. You can
Mm-hmm.
see the people just laughing and talking each with each other. And on the far left, you can see someone with a huge bag. Nakita niyo parang unti-unti siya nag-approach sa inyo.
Ay, ito.
Oh,
Hello,
yun yung closest.
gentlemen. I
Oh,
assume you're interested buying something.
what is it?
I think you would be interested on this shop. Nakita niyo biglang naglapag siya ng malaking bag sa harap niyo,
Mm.
and you can guys double click him para makita niyo yung mismong ano.
Oh, nice. What the fuck?
click.
Double
Double
click.
click, double click.
Ooh, oh, what the?
Oh, total lang.
Ang
Uh,
mahal.
Okay.
shield lang mabibili na.
Kaya
Shield
nga.
water skin rations. Ooh,
Ah,
wait.
Ano pang meron ako? Wait lang, let me look
leather
at that.
armor.
Do you have Steve's still option?
I have 15 gold. All right.
I
Ah,
have 29.
Ay, nako. Thieves'
Kap
tools.
kapag ano ba, yung kunwari yung thieves tool, meron sa sheet like puwedeng mapindot pero wala ako sa inventory.
Ah,
Wala akong thieves tool 'no?
wala kang Thieves tool. Pwede kang
Okay.
bumili. Pag binili mo siya.
Ah,
Uh, I'd like to buy your thieves tool. One please.
I-click mo lang siya. I-buy mo lang.
Buy item.
There we go. Nabili mo na.
Yes.
Paano mo? Oh,
Kusa na siyang ma-add sa inventory niya.
do you
Oh,
still have money to pay for your meal?
yeah,
Okay.
I
it's like
can't
pocket
buy
change.
anything.
What do you want, Jay?
You could sell me something, you know.
Oh, I thought we could sell you.
Yeah. To be
Oh
honest,
yeah, we could sell you.
I was interested in that packet of lures.
Ano daw?
In that packet
Pocket of
in packet of your in that if ano yung tawag ito? In that necklace of yours. What's your
Okay.
name,
oh,
Blandon?
Oh, not this one. I'm sorry.
I can buy that for 3,000 gold.
Yeah, no.
3,000 gold.
Fi fi
3,000 gold.
5,000 gold.
No.
Okay.
5,000 gold. Fur. I look a stern look at Fur.
Uh, let's think about it
Eh,
this way, Jace. If I do sell it, I'm not gonna give the gold to you.
I don't, but it can help us, the party.
No. No.
Okay, it's okay. I will not push you, don't worry.
It's fine.
So if you just need me, I'll be just on the far left of the tavern, okay?
how about information? Do you sell information?
Oh, you want information. That would cost you a fair amount of gold. Depends on what information that you need.
I guess it depends on the
Hmm.
question.
Yes, it depends on the question.
Jojo, you have something in mind?
Can I buy the ration?
Of course, you can. Don't worry.
Okay.
Well,
I'm gonna buy food.
uh, good sir, in this, Mr. Rabbit, in this place, uh, do you know anything about a deity of um mind, about dreams?
Huh. Nakita niyo nag-post lang siya dyan. And nakita niyo parang, ano ba yung nag-sign siya sa baba ng chin niya na parang nag-iisip siya? Hmm. I think I did it. I think I cannot remember hearing that name or hearing that descriptions somewhere. But if I will give you that free for now because I don't have enough information. But it's interesting that there's something that I don't know.
Binigyan niya ng gold si ano?
Hindi, sabi niya free. Free for now.
For free.
Free. Okay, okay.
Fine. Do you
Huh.
guys have any questions about for Mr. Merchant here?
Mm, okay, I want food.
Nakikita niyo si Jeffrey.
Oh my.
I'm sorry.
May mga dala-dala siya ng mga plates na sobrang dami. Eh nakikita niyo lahat yung nagle-levitate habang naglalakad siya.
I want that magic.
O nakita mo, "Hey! Get out of here! What the hell are you doing here?" Tapos sabihin niya, tapos nakita niyo parang si Mr. Rabbit nagmadaling umalis. "I'm sorry about that," sabi ni Jeffrey. "That man is a scammer. He just spouting nonsense when you ask him question. So
Mhm.
don't just trust him immediately, okay?
Mm,
So, here's your order, Mr. What is your name?"
Jace.
De,
Yes.
Which one? Which
tinuro niya
one?
ikaw, Jojo.
Oh, my name is Jojo.
Oh, okay. Here's your order. One hearty vegetable soup
Mm-hmm.
and a fisherman catch.
No, no, no.
Hmm,
Yung kay Jojo ay
Um,
yung roast
yeah,
chicken.
yeah,
I'm
that's right.
sorry. Roast chicken with herb butter, a side and
Hmm,
side salad, right? Am I right?
mm-hmm.
And an apple
Right, yeah,
pie and a
yeah.
wine. And
By
From
the
the
way,
top shelf.
yes, it's a one of
by
our
Nice.
finest wine.
Ash,
Oh,
No.
ano yan?
by the way, ano yung binigay sa akin na drink nung 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 tao?
Uh, it's actually weird, pero cinder siya.
Anong cinder?
Ah, cinder pala. Cider pala. Cider.
Ay, cider. Oh, okay.
Nagkaroon nagkaroon siya bigla ng
Okay.
I mean, nilasahan mo ba siya kanina?
Hindi ko pa siya
Ay,
iniinom
hindi
eh.
ba? Hindi pa. Okay, hindi mo pa alam na cider siya actually.
Okay.
Parang weird lang siya na wine for you.
Okay, okay.
Alam, hindi naman kasi kalasa niya yung cider. Pero binigay niya din sa'yo, Aver, same na amount na binigay niya kay Jojo. And
Mm.
nakita mo, sa likod, tag ito, Jace, sa likod niya, there's a huge amount of parang, alam mo yung itsura no baso?
Barrel.
Hindi barrel, baso. Mukha siyang barrel. And nakikita mo parang may spike siya sa gilid. Tapos may hawakan siya na dalawa dun sa ano. And nakikita mo kasing laki niya is parang may higit. Parang siyang bowl. And nakita mo nag-levitate papunta sa likod niya hanggang makapunta sa harap mo. Bang! Ito sobrang bigat. And nakita mo parang yung mga liquid medyo nag-splash. Pero hindi naman totally splash. And binigyan kanya ng fisherman's catch. Alam mo yung yung nagle-levitate pa siya na parang meat dun sa hook. Yung hook na yun, nagle-levitate and merong parang meat na fish na parang nakahiwa na and lahat yun nakadikit dun sa mismong hook. Nakita mo nagdi-drip ng sauce papunta sa baba.
Oh, wow. How large is the barrel?
Kasing laki ng sabihin natin parang siyang bowl or anong parang mga
Bowl.
5 inch yung laki niya.
What?
That's not that big.
Mga
Okay, okay.
ah,
Oh,
Pero,
that's big.
or
Never
wait,
mind.
5 inch
hindi,
yung
5
what?
inch yung width.
Okay, malaki na din
Okay,
for
malaki.
a
Okay,
Tapos
man.
okay.
tapos yung
I thought.
yung mismong height niya is mahigit 8 inch.
Okay, okay na yan.
Okay, that's actually nice. Alright, alright. Thank you, ma'am.
Definitely.
Defree.
Never, never,
Ah,
never.
I, you still need anything?
Uh,
How about you,
wal-
Victor?
wala bang
Been
in-order si
awfully,
Victor?
you've been awfully quiet.
No, I don't think I would order anything.
Do you want cider?
Yeah, cider. Do you have a cider?
Tas, ano, slowly kong sinip yung ano, yung drink ko.
And nalasahan mo na cider, yung ininom mo is cider siya actually. Yung nalasahan mo na ininom mo kay Victor dun sa cave, kasing lasa niya.
Nag-cough na lang ako.
That's what
Okay.
you, that's what you, that's karma, Ver. That's karma.
Wait,
Do
Nakita
you
niyo siya,
want this
naglakad na
then?
lang siya. Nakita niya, kinuha lang niya sa'yo.
wait, wait.
Akala ko
Should we
herbal
eat
tea kay
this?
ano. Oo nga pala. I don't know. I
We're
already
still,
drank the
we're
cider.
still, we're still inside the mansion. Or should we eat this?
I already drank the cider, Jojo.
Sabi niya.
Um,
Nakikita yung nagsasayaw-sayawan lang sila dun sa gilid ng center
Kaya
ng
nga,
tavern. Nakita,
I drank cider in the cave. I drank cider here. Maybe cider is the safest one we can eat. Nothing's happening to me right now. Slowly kong pinupush yung ano,
nasa harap
yung
niyo
baso kay ano, kay
is lahat ng mga
Victor.
in-order.
Slowly ko ngang pinupush yung baso ko kay Victor.
Huh. I will drink that. Nakita si Victor, nag-sip siya dun sa binigay mong baso.
Are you okay?
I mean, it's tasted the cider that I'm drinking.
Okay. Nothing's happening to Victor. Nothing's happening to me. Should
Wala,
I eat it then?
wala. Anong nangyayari?
Gusto niyo
should
bang
we,
ako na mauna?
let, let's all try a bite of our dish, of our food.
Okay.
Wait. You guys
Mhm.
remember what Mr. Lotus said
What?
before we
Yeah,
came
that's
here?
that's
Uh,
why I told Bird to not eat anything yet.
You told me after I drank the
But I
cider.
cannot I cannot tell that in front of the lady.
Okay.
It might be disrespectful if this food is clean.
Okay. I'm gonna throw myself to the fire if I do so. If something happens.
So
and,
how should we check if this is all right to eat?
Ano yung sinabi ni Mr. Lotus?
never drink anything inside the mansion.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
Are we still inside the mansion? I do not
we're
know.
we're technically still inside the mansion, but maybe in a different dimension or plane.
Mm-mm. And technically, I drank the cider under the mansion, not inside.
All right. You
All
know what?
right.
Whatever happens, it won't be as worse as my leg growing over a mechanical leg.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm a drink and eat it. Jojo,
I'll drink too and eat it.
uh,
Okay. Nakita nyo,
cheers.
every amount na, every amount na kinakain nyo, you feel something sa inyong katawan.
Dalawa lang sila.
You feel,
Uy, kumakain ka rin.
you,
Hindi.
you
I
feel,
drank.
you feel your fatigue na unti-unting nawawala. And,
Ooh.
and ngayon yung mismo, hindi na kayo nauuhaw, hindi na kayo gutom, hindi na kumukulo yung tiyan nyo.
How about the feeling in my leg?
Wala, painful pa rin, like, from
Still
kanina. Pero hindi naman
Painful.
painful. Yung feeling ko na leg mo ngayon wala na. Dahil nag-effect na yung painkiller from earlier.
um,
Look, Guys, I've thought about it a bit, and it's better for me to keep this leg right now until we get onto the next playground. All right.
You see,
I'll be more of a
Mm-hmm.
liability to you guys if I remove this leg out here, and I'll just be what, an amputee that you're carrying around.
There's fire over there. I can do surgery.
Next time, next time when
Okay.
we're inside a playground. All right.
Okay.
Right now, I guess, Victor, do you still have some of those painkillers?
yeah, I mean, I'm the one that making them since I got
All right.
here in this mansion.
Okay, that's good. Thank God you're here with us. I'll need a steady supply of those painkillers until we get to the next time we'll get to a playground and get the chance to heal whatever this happened.
Anong ingredients ng painkiller?
Tinanong mo ba si Victor?
Yeah.
That's a secret for now.
Okay.
You can see someone sa likod ni Ver and Victor, Jace and Jojo. Someone rises
Oh,
from its seat. Makita niyo unti-unting naglalakad sa inyo. And he sit down on the middle of the chair.
Kamukha ni Tainari.
Hello. Nanggaling,
Babae?
nanggaling sa boses niya, babae. Yung boses niya pambabae.
Okay.
oh.
Hello.
Hi.
I assume that you already met me.
Who?
What?
The name's Victor. Tapos nakita
What?
nyo si
What
What?
name?
Victor sa left side nyo. Na-shock lang din. My,
Victor?
my name is Victor.
That's why you look punchable.
Victor, as in
Yeah,
Victor. All right.
Victor.
yeah, like, yung katabi nyo na yun. Sabi, no, I am Victor. You're not Victor, sabi ni Victor.
Nag-Spider-Man meme sila.
I know, you're not me. Don't worry. Of course. You're the gluttony, the Victor.
Tinawag niya si Vic. Sinong Victor?
Eto, sabi niya, yung gluttony.
Tapos ito.
Hindi pa yan sinasabi.
So which Victor are you?
I mean, I'm not interested in telling you my name, of course.
You already told us
You're
you're
right.
Victor.
You would find soon enough which one of me.
Yeah, okay, fine. Do you want cider?
Nah, I don't need that nasty drink.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
do you
I
want
like this
wine?
Victor more.
Ah,
What
eh,
do you want, Victor?
nakita niyo, nag, parang sumandal siya dun sa mismong sandalan niya. And nakita niya, tinaas niya yung dalawa niyang paa sa table. What do I want from you guys? Tapos nakita niya parang nag-aano siya, inano niya yung mismo, nagtithink siya. What do I want? That's something that
Mm,
I would want to ask myself.
eh,
But there's something that I need from you guys.
no.
Ah, an information. Do you
Mm,
know that? Do you know the name? Did you hear the name of the god of imagination?
imagination.
And pagtapos nun,
Udel.
and dun na natin end yung session.
Oh,
Pagtapos niya sabihin yun.
God of Imagination.
And that where a session will end.
Okay.
Okay, I hope for God we didn't do the bad thing and ate.
It's
Eat
fine.
food. If
So we're
if
technically not inside the mansion.
we're
We're not.
technically not inside the mansion. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we're not inside the mansion, you guys. For
Mm-hmm.
sure, for sure, hindi gagawa ng ganitong elaborate set up si Ash na kakain, na sa tavern, very
Hindi nga
nice
natin
vibes.
alam kung nasan tayo kasi hindi nakalagay yung name ng place doon sa taas.
Feeling ko nga Inception eh, kasi parang ang ano na natin, parang we're so deep, like we're 4 layers in, from the mansion to the caves to the hospital and then to the beach, this beach.
Mm-hmm.
Deeper and deeper we go.
Mm-hmm.
Thoughts nyo
Ayoko
sa
naman.
thoughts nyo sa aking leg.
Ano?
It was
Parang
gross and it is amazing. I'm sorry. Kasalanan ko ata yun.
Yun man.
at my expense.
Akala ko hindi naririnig ni Ash nung sinasabi ko yun. Sorry.
Di
It's
naman.
fine, it's fine. It's a nice imagery. Nakikita ko si Chase just lying down, suffering. It's not dramatic at all.
Sabi ko
I'm
sa'yo,
sorry.
nagpa-practice ako eh, ng pagiging
Eh,
descriptive.
honestly, Ash, nag-improve ka this session.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah.
I'll improve more.
Yeah,
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Ayoko kasi
yeah.
na yung parang nakaraan na parang nag-autopilot lang ako sa kung ano man nangyayari. Gusto ko maging descriptive naman para maging immerse palalo kayo.
Next Matt Mercer
E-
incoming! Woo!
e-
Matt Mercer na
Di,
yan!
di naman. Gusto ko lang ganito.
Ang Matt Mercer ng Pilipinas.
Hayop. Pero yun nga. Update niya na yung journal niya.
Mateo Mercer.
Inano ko na din hanggang 12. Ayoko na rin i-extend. Baka mapagod kayo lalo.
Yes. Thank you, Ash.
I think enough na rin tong information. Marami naman na rin kayo na kahit pa paano.
Yeah, excited ako para sa next session, lalo na yung kung ano yung laman ng journal na pinakita.
Yung journal mo, ano?
Nagko-context clues ako kanina pa.
Ang pinaka-proud na proud ako dun sa ano eh, dun sa merchant. Naalaman ko na rin kung paano magka-merchant. And magkaroon na rin kayo ng loot. Yun yung update. Kasi
Yay!
Yay!
every enemy may mga loot na. Sana.
Dapat kinakanta yung yung song habang niloot. Loot that body.
Kung gusto niyo marinig yung song, ito yung song na kinakanta ngayon ni Celine.
Selene.
Alam nyo guys, parang laro lang. There's a loot update. Update
Mm.
0.6. Loot update.
Version
Yeah.
0.6.
There's
Version
body,
0.6.
body health system update. There are no, you cannot use cantrips as bonus actions anymore.
My patch notes.
Oo.
Can
Tapos
we
lahat ng
loot
mga
Victor?
casters nagano. Wait, so yung looting system, yung parang parang harvesting system sa game or
Oo.
like
Nag-iisip pa ako pero di ko siguro nagagawin to. Kasi masyado atang pangit kapag kailangan niyo pa Tingin ko ibabalik ko yung cantrips na pwede na siya magamit ulit. Kaso, I think, kailangan niya na gumamit ng... Di ko alam kung magugustuhan niya, pero pag sa spell, I think si Matt lang hindi magugustuhan to.
Ano yun?
Pero I think, magkakaroon na kayo ng resource
Ano yung
Ooh.
resource?
na every spell kailangan niya gumamit ng resource.
Okay.
Pero pero hindi pa sure 'yan kasi ang dami ko kailangan gawin eh. Kasi
Okay, so,
kapag ganun kailangan niyo na bumili ng bumili. Pero tingin ko hindi ko na gagawin 'yun. Pag someday na siguro. Masyado nang masyado nang mahirap yung Lost
Someday.
Blood eh.
it's okay.
Pero hindi ko na gagawin 'yun. Wag ka mag-alala, Matt. Yung
It's
ay
okay.
by the way, yung tawag nito, yung sa cantrips,
Mhm.
kapag madami lang kayo, okay?
Okay. Sige, sige.
Okay, okay.
Kapag tatlo lang kayo,
Guys,
di ko ano yun.
sige, sige.
Sige.
Ginawa ko natin yung ating public journal.
Parang natatrap rin si Jojo na puro Eldritch Blast, puro cantrip kapag nakikipaglaban eh.
Oo.
Ano kayang effect ng aking proto-cybernetic leg?
Edge runner ka na ngayon.
Edge runner. Pero ang sakit yun! Flesh grew over mechanical. Ouch.
Wala kang bone na. So, yung bone mo, metal part yun.
Yun nga. Oh.
Mas gusto niyo ba pag ganito lang ano yung session? Like, ikli?
Actually, yeah, actually.
Ox lang.
Sucks lang.
Sige, sige.
Sucks lang.
Parang gusto ko pa maglaro pero yung parang hindi nakakapagod ka.
Para
Mm.
may ano pa. Alam mo yung hindi burnt out ka lang.
Okay. Tapos na ako. Yan lang yung sa akin.
Ayan, ayaw sa akin din.
My leg! My leg hurts awful! Flesh grew over it! I need a drink.
Upload ko na kagad to
Imagine.
sa mismo session. Sa,
Sige.
Body, mind, and soul. Imagine. Ang ganda ng song na to, by the way.
ay, nga pala, send ko nga pala sa inyo. Ito. Ayan. Ayan, pakinggan nyo. Ganda yan.
Ayan na sa akin. Okay na yan.
What? Siguro yung last session natin, super detailed. Tapos biglang, next session, what? My leg!
Ang ganda yung ano ni Nicholas eh. Note ni Nicholas eh. Sayang
I'm
wala si Nicholas
hungry.
ngayon.
ba natin nagagawa ang dami nating objectives na just abandon.
Oo.
Not
Mhm.
really abandon, pero pending.
Nagbabago rin
Yo
kasi tayo ng lugar.
Oo, like we still have to find yung susi na kay David. Yung box, kailangan pa natin malaman kung ano nasa loob.
Tas
Mhm.
may mga mini side quests when kami ni Ver.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yung
and then
hat.
Yung hat
kaila
giver, yung sa'kin yung book.
tapos ako kay Alice, kailangan kong i-meet up ulit si Alice. Ay, hirap. Ang daming objectives, ang daming ano pa tayo? Daming goals na kailangan ng resolution.
Isa lang naman
Tingnan
yung
natin
goal
kung
niya, eh. Makita tayo guys.
tingnan natin kung paano i-aano lahat ni Ash. Paano resolve all this dangling threads. Don't you think di namin na to keep track of?
Kinikip track ko yung mga question, don't worry. Lahat ng mga sinasabi niyo, kinikip track ko. Don't worry, guys.
May ano
So,
ka ba?
alam niyo
May
parang sa Telltale, may Ash will remember that. Parang ganun.
Ayun na.
may ano pa? Like may personally sa log mo, may quest names pa yung bawat namin.
Ano?
Yung bawat need namin gawin. Like quest names na hindi namin alam.
Paano quest names?
Like
Alam niyo
parang
sa ano?
Yung parang ano?
yung parang sa lang sa Genshin Impact o sa
Mhm.
Withering Waves na may it's
Yung parang mga ganun. Oh, meron actually.
ano yung mga na-complete na namin quest?
Sabihin ko ba?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Wala pa? Putang
Ah.
ina.
Ay,
Yung
meron
lang,
isa.
mabalik lang yung mga rats. Ay, mga
Ah,
mice.
yan. And meron pa kayo isang na kompleto eh. Yung tungkol sa aso dun sa mansion. Ah, nabigay niya yung gusto nung matanda na may aso.
Ayun. I don't
Yung
remember
mechanic.
that.
Oo.
Ay, tapos ina, yung letter pa pala to to
Kay Bruno Leslie.
okay,
Sige.
pero let's
Yun na
see,
yun.
di ba natin nabibigay nor nabubuksan?
It's it's infernal and something.
Infernal and
Cel-
Eldritch?
Celestial.
Celestial.
Mhm.
Dami nating pending. My gosh, guys.
At least medyo chill yun, di ba? Medyo chill kayo.
Yeah, chill tayo today. I like it.
Ah,
Alright, exit na ako sa fountain.
sige.
Siguro,
Sayang wala si AJ para maano to. Sige na. Exit na kayo. I-out ko na yung recording para ma-upload ko na kagad.
siguro,
Yes, Daddy Ash.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Daddy
Magbab
Ash, wait lang. Hindi pa
Magbabay
ako
kayo sa
ready.
Boklog sa kasi sa recording.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you that's
bye.
been 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
See you
Ang inang
next
yan.
year.
See you next
Bye-bye.
year.
GG.